Today I am going to take a lecture of probability and statistics, chapter number 3, chapter number 1, basic probability. Okay, so in our previous lecture, we have already seen in the different type of the examples, just like a coin or dice. Okay, or a dice contain the balls. So here the different type of the example. This example is very interesting. So see here, there are 5 yellow, 2 red and 3 white balls in the box. Okay, that means 5 yellow, 2 red and 3 white balls in the box. Okay, 3 balls are randomly selected from the box. That means we have the total 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. That means we have the 10 balls in a box. Okay, and taken out the 3 balls are randomly. Okay, so here find the probability of the following events. So number 1, we are finding all are of different colors. That means total 10 balls are in a box and we randomly selected the 3 balls. So first we are finding the probability of all are of different colors. So one is yellow, one is red and one is the white ball. Okay. Second one, we find the 2 yellow and 1 red ball. Okay, so total 3 balls. Okay, and last one is the all are of same color. That means if we taken out the 3 balls, so all 3 balls are same color. That means what? 3 balls may be yellow color or white color. Okay, why we say that the 3 balls are white color? Because of here total balls is 2. Total ball is 2 and here we randomly selected the 3 balls are same color, so this is not possible. So that means in the last we find the probability of all are of same color. That means the balls are maybe white yellow color or white color. Okay, so first we write here the total balls. Okay, so in a box the solution is that in a box total 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. So total balls is 10. Okay, so in a box there are total of 10 balls in the box and let n be the number of ways of selecting a box. Let small n be the number of ways of selecting number of ways of selecting 3 balls out of total 10 balls. Got it? Out of total 10 balls. Because of first we find the total exhaustive event or total possibility. That means we have the total 10 balls and we randomly selected the 3 balls. Okay. So first we find n is equal to what? N is equal to 10 C3 because of we have the total 10 balls and select the 3 balls. So here solve this step. So factorial 10, factorial 3 and factorial 10 minus c, that means factorial 7. So here open this 10, 9, 8 into factorial 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 and into factorial 7. So this is the cancel. 3 3 is 9, 2 4 is 8, 1 20. Okay, that means here the total possible outcomes, total exhaustive event is equal to 120. That means we have the total 10 balls and randomly selected the 3 balls. So possibility of 3 balls for selecting total out of 10 balls is 10 C3, that means the 120. Okay, so first we find the total possible outcomes. So number 1, next one is the all are of different color. That means one ball is white, one ball is red and one ball is yellow. Okay, so first we write here the number 1 and write capital A be the capital A be the event, capital A be the event defined as follows. That means capital A be the event, then balls are all balls are different color. Okay, capital A is the event where all balls are different color. Okay, so probability of A is equal to what? Probability of A is equal to what? Total favorable event in the numerator and total possible outcomes or total exhaustive events we write here in the denominator form. Okay, so in the denominator we write the total possible outcomes is 120. Okay, we find here all balls are different color. So first one ball is yellow. So what is the probability for getting the one ball is yellow? So 5C1 because our total yellow ball is 5 and we select the one yellow ball. So here we write the 5C1. We write here the multiply sign. Why we write here the multiply sign? Because of in the multiply sign that means intersection. Intersection that means and that means total. Okay. So one ball is yellow, so we write here 5C1. One ball is red, so write here total ball is 2 red ball and selected one red ball. Next one is the 3C1 because our total white ball is 3, so 3C1. Okay, so solve this state. So 5C1 that means what? 5C1 that means factorial 5, factorial 1 and factorial 5 minus 1 that means factorial 4, factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r that means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so here open this term 5 into factorial 4 because of here in the denominator the term is factorial 4. So here 1 into factorial 4. So cancel out. So we get only the 5 value. Okay, that means 5C1 is equal to 5. 2C1 is equal to 2 and 3C1 is equal to 3. Got it? So here 120. That means what? Here 2 6 are 12. 3 2 ja 6 and 5 4 ja 20. So total is 1 by 4. That means if all balls are different color, so what is the probability for finding the all balls are different color is 1 by 4. Okay. Next one is the 2 yellow and 1 red color. So what is the possibility of 2 yellow and 1 red color? So here the event B be the event for 2 yellow and 1 red color. Okay, so here the probability of B is equal to what? In the numerator 2 yellow. So 2 yellow is 5C2. Got it? And 1 red. So 2C1. Here if you have any confusion, so use sum of the suffix term 1 1 1. 1 1 2 plus 1 3 and here is the multiply sign. If here write here the plus sign, so you count here the 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, in the we write the plus sign, so all the terms are indivisible. Okay, so here 5C2 into 2C1, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and we find the possibility of 2 yellow and 1 red color. Okay, and here the total possible outcome is 120. Got it? So first you open the term 5C2. So here factorial 5, factorial 2 and factorial 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So open this term 5 4 factorial 3. 2 into 1 into factorial 3. So you write here the cancel 2 2 ja 4. That means 5 2 ja 10 into 2C1. That means 2. Here we already find the value of 5C1 is equal to 5 and here 120. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. That means 1 by 6. This is the possible probability of 2 yellow and 1 red color. Okay. Next one is the all are of same color. For finding the all balls are same color. That means we have the 5 yellow ball, 2 red ball and 3 white balls. So obviously the all balls are same color. That means all 3 balls are maybe yellow color or white color, because of here the total ball is red too. So we can't consider here the 3 red balls. Okay. So here let capital C be an event. Define as follows. Capital C be a event defined as follows. So here the capital C, that means what? All are of same color. All are of same color. That means the probability of C is equal to what? Is equal to, in the denominator we write here the total possible outcomes or total exhaustive events. So total exhaustive event is 120. Okay. But in the numerator we find here the all are of same color. That means all 3 balls are yellow color. So here we write the 5C3 because all 3 balls are yellow color. Okay. Here we can't consider the 2 red ball because of we select the 3 balls. So this is not included in the answer. 3 white balls. That means we consider here the 3C3. Got it? 3 white balls, and we randomly selected all balls are within the 3 white balls. Okay. But here, how we write here the sign of the plus or multiplication? In case here we write the multiplication sign. That means what? Multiplication, that means and that means we are write here the intersection. That means what? If we write here the multiplication sign, so 3 plus 3 is equal to total 6 balls, but we are trying only the 3 balls. Okay. So here we write the plus sign. So what do you mean by the plus sign? Plus sign, that means here we write the union. Union, that means what? Either this or this. That means either 5C3 or 3C3. That means only one for selected in both these two terms. Okay. So first you open this term, that means 5C3. That means what? 5C3 is equal to factorial 5 factorial 3. 5 minus 3 is factorial 2. So here 5 into 4 into factorial 3. Here factorial 3, 2 into 1. So this is your cancel. 2 2 ja 4. So 5 2 ja 10. So we write here 10. 5C3. Next one is a 3C3. So 3C3 is equal to what? Factorial 3, factorial r, that means factorial 3 into 3 minus 3. That means factorial 0. So what is the value of the factorial 0? Factorial 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So here this term is cancelled. That means we get only 1. Got it? So here 10 plus 1 divided by 120. That means total 11 by 120. This is your final answer if all are of same color. Okay. So this is very important and interesting example because of in this question we have included the 5 yellow, 2 red and 3 white balls. Got it? And here we find the first one is the all are of different color. So one point is very important. How we consider the multiplication sign or the plus sign. Okay. So here all are of the different color. That means one ball is red, one ball is yellow and one ball is white. So we use the multiplication sign. That means the intersection. Always keep in mind. Okay. Next one is the 2 yellow and 1 red color. So again 2 yellow and 1 red. If we merge this 2 yellow and 1 red, so we get the 3 balls. So here again we use the multiplication sign. But in the third term, all are of same color. So maybe 3 balls are yellow color or 3 balls are white color. So here either this or this. Okay. So here we use the plus sign. And 5C3 is equal to value stand and 3C1 is equal to 1. That means 2C1 equal to 1, 5C5 is equal to 1. Okay, so here 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 by 120. So this is the example of the different type of the band that contain the 10 balls, and after that we find the this type of the probability. Okay.